Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your content to a help window. Let's start by going to the page where we'll add help. Here's the help window for this page, and we click here to add or change the links in the window. First, I want to add my own help and link to it from the help window. I can add help in three ways: upload a file, enter my content in this window, or link to a web page. I want to use the text editor here, so I'll leave text as the help type. Let's also leave the status as active so that my link shows up in the help window. Next, we add the title, which is the text for the link that'll appear in the help window. Finally, I enter my help content and save my work. So now we see the help I just added, and it's already there on the help window. My help is looking good. Besides adding my own help, I can also hide what's already there. Let's say this one. Inactive help won't appear on any help window, but we can always change it back later. Now we see that the help is inactive, and we don't see the link anymore. I can also hide my own help or change my content at any time. We can also link to help that was already created elsewhere. Then I'll have many links here and I can reorder them, but for now, I'm good to go. Thank you.